Have you ever wanted to know how thick your coat of paint is? Well, now you can know exactly with the help of our paint thickness gauge. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a 9-volt battery, some calibration coating films and tester plates, a carrying case with belt strap, and inside, your paint thickness gauge. To get started, pop the tab off the back of the device and put in the 9-volt battery. Then your device powers on and is ready to go. Then it's time to calibrate. Take out the metal tester plates and push it down on the plate. If it's working correctly, it should read 0. If not, then 0 it out. Then if you put the calibration film over the plate and push down again, it should match closely to the label of the film. To give a better idea of how this works, we tested it on our new door with just a base coat of paint. It reads at a 1.4. And then our old door, that's been repainted several times, reads 3.7. The more coats of paint, the thicker it'll be. Making this device perfect if you're shopping for used vehicles, trailers, or other equipment. Sometimes it's obvious if something has had damage and has been repainted, but if it's done right, it's hard to tell. I bought my Jeep with 30,000 miles on it and was told there was no wrecks. We took multiple readings down the side of my Jeep and everything was consistent. That is until we got to the front passenger door. It had a much higher level, and then the same for the front right part of the hood. We now have a weak spot in the hood that caves in and issues with our front passenger window. And now we know why. It got in a wreck and was repaired, and then sold. To me. I like my Jeep, but if I had this at the time, maybe I would have looked around for a more solid option. So whether you're used car shopping or an auto detailer that wants to see what he's working with, this paint thickness gauge might just be for you. Till next time, I've got to talk to someone about a Jeep. See ya.